In this video, I'm going to do a review of this push button fuel door lock set, and then I'm going to show you how to uninstall your old lock and install this new lock. This is a Harley Davidson product. Part number is 53842-00C. It's $29.95 and it is made in Taiwan, and it fits 1992 and later FLHT and FLTR model Harley Davidson bikes. What makes this lock different than your stock lock is the stock lock requires a key to open your fuel door, but with this one you can leave it in the unlock position, and then when you want to open your fuel door you just press a button. So what you get with this new lock set is a new lock, which is right here. Instructions and a new hinge bracket for the fuel door. Before I install this lock, there's a couple of things I want to show you. Harley Davidson calls this a lock, but it's not really a lock because it doesn't have any pins in it, which means any tubular key will open this lock, and that's true with all fuel door locks on Harley Davidson bikes. And just to show you that that's true, this is a tubular key, and these are cuts in the key, and these cuts correspond to a particular pin length in a tubular lock. So this key is cut to fit a particular lock. And here's another tubular key. This is a blank key, and you can see that it's smooth here and there are no cuts in this key. And I'll show you that either key will work in this lock. And the reason that is true is because these locks do not have any pins. The other feature I want to show you is the push button feature. In the locked position, the push button feature is built into this center piece, this center part of the lock here. You can see when I press it in, that latch retracts, and then in the locked position, I can't press it in. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to remove your old fuel door lock, and remove and replace your fuel door hinge. Before you start, make sure that you cover up your fuel tank so that if you drop any tools you don't scratch your tank. So go ahead and open up the fuel door, and the fuel door is attached using these two screws right there, so you need to remove those two screws. And be careful not to drop the screws down into this cavity, and then remove the hinge and the fuel door. The old fuel door lock is held on by this this nut right here. A 22mm socket will fit the nut, and remove that nut, unscrew it all the way. And then to get this lock out, drop it down and then turn it 90 degrees, and then you can remove it from your fuel door. The new fuel door lock comes with a new nut and washer, and this lock is actually easier to install than the stock lock. You just position it like this, come in at an angle and slip it through, install the washer, and tighten this down, and then You don't have to tighten this nut very tight, just a light snug. Just like that. And that is the new fuel door lock. Now take your fuel door and reattach it to the bike like this. Then take your new hinge bracket and place it on like this. And then reattach the screws, being careful not to drop the screws. And then tighten everything down. So after you have the lock in the hinge installed, to use the lock, just press the door closed and it latches into place, and then you just press the center part of the lock to release the door. And then you also have the option of locking the lock so that push button feature no longer works. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section. You can also leave questions at my forum at smallengineshop.net. Hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.